And good morning, happy Friday. You made it through our smoky, hazy, maybe even apocalyptic type of week here across Pennsylvania. But you made it through, and this morning the air quality is much better than it has been the last couple days. And we did see some improvement with that yesterday. However, today most of that smoke will be completely gone. However, the forecast map today, mainly sunny skies expected throughout the region, maybe in the western part of the region, maybe a couple clouds from upper level disturbance I'll talk about in a minute here, but temperatures will be in the 70s and low 80s today, with dew points in the 40s and 50s across much of the area, making it feel very comfortable outside and keeping that humidity away for at least the time being. However, the mosaic radar and RAP analysis on College of DuPage's satellite view are showing that upper level disturbance right here associated with some kind of little small trough associated to our north. This is going to be pushing southward and will be dissipating with time as it enters regions of sinking air from high pressure over the region, and it will dissipate as the day continues, leading to just a couple clouds over portions of western Pennsylvania. But the GFS ensembles, taking a look at this weekend, it shows that here's that pattern I talked about yesterday. We have that ridge out in the northwest, comes into a big trough and right up here in the plains area, northern plains area, and it leads to another ridge over the northeast. And this is what we're going to be seeing as this ridge builds this weekend. We'll continue to get progressively warmer as those heights continue to increase throughout the weekend. However, we will be remaining dry as high pressure remains in control, and we won't have to worry about any system that really ridge rides as that ridge is far to our north. So we will be dry this weekend. It will continue to get warmer as the weekend goes on. Overall, the humidity shouldn't be too terrible, but the good news is it will be dry. It will be another beautiful weekend here in northeastern Pennsylvania. And it shows with the mean sea level pressure here from our GEFS as well. And you can see those numbers. We have 1025 high pressure system, kind of just situated right over the region. A lot of sinking air, counterproductive to storm development, will keep us dry throughout the weekend. And you can kind of see those numbers in between here. A little lesson for you all. If you ever look at ensembles, these are called members. Now, I usually use ensembles when I do long-range storm forecasting or something like that. But when you see numbers like this is where the members are putting the potential high pressure. So, again, since these are all cooped together like this, there's high confidence that this high pressure is going to exist within this region. So it will be dry, high pressure in control, excellent. Even the ensembles agree. As we get into our weekend a little bit more, just to get in the temps, we see we have temperatures in the low to mid 80s tomorrow. With it's going to be mostly sunny once again, and we're going to be like that again on Sunday, with temperatures up near 90 in some spots. We're keeping an eye out for that. And then as we enter the beginning of next week, watching for upper 80s to low 90s again, even though most of that heat will be to our north from that upper level ridge. And that's all I have for you guys today. Happy Friday. Have a great weekend. I'm meteorologist Mike Javer.